Hello friends, welcome to my channel Graphic World. My name is Abhishek. Today we will be learning how to UV map or unwrap the Sparkplug object in Maya. Let us first start applying checkers texture to Sparkplug object. For that, first select all the pieces of Sparkplug object and then right click on the object and select Assign New Material from the drop down menu and create Blend Material for the Sparkplug and connect the checkers texture to a color attribute of Blend Material. Click on the checkers icon and select my checkers texture that I have saved in my desktop.
You can see we have applied the checkers texture, but it is not looking perfect with the default UV. So let us start unwrapping the tip part of the spark plug first. We need to hide all other objects in my scene, so I can only focus on the selected object. So select the tip part of the spark plug and click Alt H. Now let's press 5 to switch into shading mode, as I don't want to work into the texturing mode. And make sure that we are looking into the polygon rough object mode, not in the smooth mode. We will be unwrapping this object into two parts. One is for the upper part of the object and second one for the base of the selected object. So let's start selecting the edge loop here and then convert the selection to faces by pressing Ctrl F11. Now you can see the two face rings selected, and from now I can use the grow selection by pressing Shift greater than sign to select the faces that are required. Make sure to select the faces till here. Now go to the UV menu and open the UV editor and place it to one side. So the same time I can see both the view. Now make sure the object is selected and go to the UV menu and click on the option box for cylindrical projection. Reset the setting and click apply. Now you can see the new UV shell has been created from the cylindrical projection, but the UV shell is not looking perfect. So let's go back to our perspective view and move the cylindrical projection handle a little bit on X direction. Now you can see the UV shell is looking good. Now right click in the UV editor and select all the UV of the active shell.
Now go into the unfold section of UV toolkit and make sure the straighten UV amount is set to 25 and click on the straighten UV button. This will allow the UV to align in the straight line as you can see here. Now go to the perspective view and press 6 to go into the texturing mode to check the checkers. Now we have to select all the faces of the base part. For that, double click and select all the edges at the end of the object and convert selection to the faces and use the growing selection to select the faces till here. For unwrapping this section, I will be using plain projection map, reset setting and change the projection from to y-axis and keep image width height ratio is checked on. Now click on the projection button to create the projection. Now you can see one more shell is created in UV editor as a donut shape. Now if you see in the texturing mode, the checkers are not matching on both the part of the object. This is not a problem, but if you see this section, the checkers look stretchy here. To solve this issue, select the corner edge loop, convert the selection to faces and again convert the selection to UV. Now go into the UV editor, unfold section of UV toolkit, click on the unfold button. Now you can see this will not give the desired result. No problem, select all the UVs of the active cell, click unfold button one more time. This will give you the proper UV shell. Now go to the smooth mode by pressing 3. The checkers are looking perfect on both the part of the object. There is the only problem with the size. For that we will go back to UV editor again and select both the UV shell. Now go into the arrange and layout section and click on the layout button. This will arrange all the selected UV shell to fit inside the UV layout. Still I'm not happy with the checker size of both the section. Again go into the UV editor and select all the UVs of this UV shell and use the scale tool to decrease the size of the selected shell so that checker size match in the perspective view. Again select both the UV shell and click on the layout button. This will give us a perfect unwrap of a selected object. Now go to the window, display, show all, and next we will be going to start with the upper section